Hi, my name is Larry from Family Care Home Medical Equipment, co-owner with my wife Tracy. We are located at 118 East Oak Ridge Drive in the South Point Shopping Center, right across from FedEx and UPS, right around the corner from the outlets. I'm going to be explaining a little bit today with what we do with CPAPs, how we clean them, some new masks, the machines, and how we clean those as well. So I want to start off first with probably our best-selling CPAP mask. It's a full face mask, but it doesn't go over the nose. So it's a lot less invasive than a regular full face mask. It just kind of fits right over the mouth, and then the nose part of it is up here, so it doesn't go the whole way around the face. It's a lot less invasive. It's one of the newer masks that are out, and it's really, really good mask. We get very, very little complaints with this. That being said, I'll get into the cleaning part of the masks here in just a minute. So with that said, we have the machine itself, and with the machine you have the hosing. I'm sure all CPAP users are familiar with the hosing, and that needs to be cleaned as well. I'll get to that in just a minute. And then you have the machine itself. This is just a standard CPAP machine, and they come in autos, which is really what you want to get. The auto machines are the very best. They automatically adjust your pressure. The insurance company does not pay for the auto, but we don't charge an upgrade for it. So with that being said, it's the best machine is to get the auto if you can. Most doctors won't prescribe it if you have a set pressure. But if you could get an auto, you can always call the store at 301-671-4775, and we can give you some details on maybe how to get an auto or what we can talk to the doctor about and maybe get them to write a script if you're due for a new machine. The biggest part with this machine is just the water chamber. The water chamber on this one comes out very easy, and you want to use distilled water in that when possible. Other waters can be used, but not for a very long period of time, maybe a week or so. And you would really want to clean it a lot more often than you would if you used regular distilled water. So the final part would be the cleaning. We always recommend that the cleaning be done at least every other day. It's the perfect area for bacteria. It's warm, moist air, and bacteria love it. So the insurance company allows people to exchange their tubing every 3 months, a new mask every 3 months. The headgear, however, is every 6 months, and you can get the face cushions. I think you can get 1 or 2 of those every month. And then the filters, you want to change those very often. You can get 2 of those every month. And then the reusable filter you can get once every 6 months. So you want to change out your equipment as often as possible. The oils in your face will break down the mask so it doesn't seal as well. And you'll notice that 3 to 4 months in, sometimes longer, sometimes not, you'll notice, hey, I'm not getting that seal like I used to when my mask was new. So that's part of the reason that oils start to break down that mask. So we recommend that you clean it at least every other day. I know it can be a hassle, so we have some different ways of cleaning it. First of all, you want to use warm soapy water. However, we do have a new machine that we just got in a few months ago, and we've been selling these things like crazy. They're really, really good. They're about $110, and I think that even includes, I'm sorry, there is no tax on these. But you hook your hose up to it, and you put your CPAP machine and your mask in a bag, and you run a cycle, and it takes about 30 minutes, and your mask is clean. It's dry, and it uses a UV lighting, I believe, to clean everything, so it's a lot better than just your normal soap and water. I just want to say thank you, everybody, for joining us today. Stay safe, stay well. If you have any questions at all, you can always give us a call at the store. Our number again is 301-671-4775. My name's Larry, and we have a staff ready and willing to help.